Welcome back to the channel, Barbecue Fam. Today, we're bringing you Wagyu. Australian Wagyu, and this is a marble score 4. You got this one, then you got this one. It seems to be slightly a little more marbled, probably from the same exact cap. We know they're gonna be amazing, but we're gonna do one with salt and pepper, and we're gonna do one with D-rub for beef. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna open these up. We'll get them seasoned up. We'll get them on the boss. Let's do the damn thing. All right, guys, D-rub for beef from White Bulls Barbecue. Salt and pepper blend. We're gonna let them sit about 10 minutes, let them soak in that sodium. We're gonna throw them right on the pit balls. We're gonna reverse sear them, smoke them to about 130, sear them with that firebox wide open, just like always, guys. And just really looking forward to tasting this. Amazing marbling, not a tomahawk, something different. So let's get right to it. We'll see you on the other side. We got the smoke rolling. We have let these set, give them about 10 minutes. White Bulls D-rub. Salt and pepper blend. Gonna let them take a smoke bath. Probe them in a little bit, 15-20 minutes maybe. See where they're at, and then we're gonna reverse sear them. So we've been rolling at 225 over on our TG. Been about 20 minutes, so we're gonna take our TP19 from ThermoPro. We're gonna probe these bad boys and just get some progress updates. This one looks like
126.
All right. So they're not far off from where they should be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this and bring it over here and kind of swap them out because the left side is a little bit hotter. Figure we'll give these another 5 minutes, maybe. But we're gonna be a little more tentative now. These are up around 130. Get a little bit of a cook on the other side that's been sitting up, and then we're gonna open up that firebox, take these babies to the perfect medium rare, and then we're gonna devour them. We'll be right back. We are gonna take our TP19 once again. I think they're there, guys. It's been about 10 minutes. And it's sitting right at 130, I'll say 135-ish, which is okay, because they're gonna rest 5 minutes. I want you guys to get a nice close-up look at this in the sun. You can just see the juices coming out of this thing. This is the salt and pepper blend. Incredible. Again, this is marble score 4 Australian Wagyu. This is the rub. I'm liking the color on this. Get a little splittage in there. Oh my. Guys, I want to really express to you how tender those two steaks were in my hand just now. unbelievable. You get what you pay for when it comes to this stuff. We've learned that Wagyu is superior and it is worth the money. You just got to get the right stuff. We have access to Australian Wagyu here, so that's what we're rolling with at this very moment. But we are going to crank this now. We're going to try to get it up to around 400. Open up that box. It doesn't have the slider like the Pro Series, but we're going to make it happen. This thing's still awesome. These things are all the way awesome, and we're about to have an awesome lunch. So let's get to it. Give it about 45 seconds, and we're gonna flip it, probe it, and just keep flipping it every 45 seconds till we hit that 140. Be a perfect medium rare. So that's what we're about to do, and it's coming right at you. The marbling on this thing is out of this world, guys. It's smelling amazing too. I really wish you guys could smell this. Unbelievable. All right, just probed it, right at 140. Take off that salt and pepper, throw that rub right on. This baby's already cranked up. Let's do it. Look at that.
Now it's cranking.
All right, we'll let it go a few seconds on the other side, and we're gonna pull it, guys. Guys, we got a couple cuts out of this. This is the salt and pepper one. Perfect. Exactly what you want. Let's slice up some more so we can dig in. We're gonna try this one first. Just a regular old plain salt and pepper flavor profile. And I'm done talking. Please take that. Show them that and then eat this, bro. Or eat that. Mmm. Yeah, it's incredible. Like, that should tell you the story. Regular salt and pepper, always out of this world. That's all you. For a piece of meat this good. Look at this. Again, that should tell you the story. Unreal.
Where did I see this commercial?
Can't see it now because you interrupted it. Wow. Dude. Alright. I'm gonna cut this other one. Alright, guys. Regular salt and pepper was amazing. Yeah. Let's cut this knee rub. Wow. Again, this knife is extremely sharp. But it's just hard to cut this just because it's so tender. Just wants to drag along with the blade. This one got a little bit more of a flame, a little bit more of a char. So I'm curious to see how that changes it, but I know they're both gonna be amazing. Yeah. Unreal. The char did something extra to the fat. Yeah, it's unbelievable. if I had to give you any advice with any steak, always, sorry, it's amazing. Always get your flame as hot as you possibly can, because the shorter the sear, the better. But don't take it past 130, guys, because you want to get that flame on there. It changes the flavor. This is amazing. They're both amazing. That extra char. Alright, guys. Like and subscribe. As always, appreciate you watching. Best damn barbecue ever. Get you some of this.